Lights, camera, action. Lights. Lights. Did you fall asleep? Lights. Oh, there you go. Hey, how you doing? Draconis271 here. Today we're talking about lighting in your videos, either for live streams or YouTubing videos. Whatever you put it on your little makeup or whatever. If you want to get your face out there and people can see you, lighting is very important. And that's why if you want to upgrade from your basic lighting, which there is nothing wrong with that, if this is the best you can do, then it's the best you can do. So you give it your best. But you want to upgrade? I got a very simple and affordable upgrade for you. The Mactrem LED ring light kit. Check out the video. Link in the description. Like, subscribe. You know the deal. Just do it. It's easy. It's free. Like and subscribe. See you in the video. Today we're talking about the Mactrem LED ring light kit. Why is it a kit? Well, it has some cool things inside. What's inside? Well, of course, the 10-inch ring light. Yes, comes with this base, right? It has unscrew it there, and you can swivel it back or forward, back or forward, and it goes at 180, 90, 180, or I usually like it like that, about 15, right? The cord. Here is your buttons. You got your power, your dimmer, your light, color switcher, and your brightness plus. All right. Keep following down. We got USB. Yes. Plug it into your computer. Plug it into your dongle. Power source, dongle. Bam. Sometimes if I'm shooting a video and I need more light, I plug it into one of these. This is my speaker actually, but it can be used as a power source. So if you have a power bank, you can plug it in there. And for the purpose of this video, I will be using that. Talk about features. I already showed you about the base, right? So it has a notch right in here, right inside. Bam, there goes a slit there inside, right? Inside here. And on the top also, there's a slot. All right. Now, why is there a slot? Well, there's a special mount just for that slot. Here is the phone mount. So this is the other cool stuff it comes with. The phone mount. Has your ball screw there, and you can loosen it and position it the way you like. It swivels on itself like this, right? Gives you some motion. And then this phone mount stretches out like that. See? You do that with your phone. Slide your phone. I'm pushing pressure on the back side here. Part of this stretches. See that? Bam, done. I suggest you hold it and you maneuver it to the position you like first, and then you lock it down. And of course, I'm showing on my info. So you lock it down right here and adjust it by hand, because you try to adjust it on here, this is plastic and that is plastic. So if you try to start whacking around, moving it around a lot too much, it might crack it, the plastic. So all you gotta do is hold it horizontally, just like that, horizontally. Yeah, like that. Hold this up, right in there. Make sure you push it all the way through. That way you can have a stable base, and your phone will be right there. So there you go. Hey, I'm on video. Hi, Mom. And then you can do it horizontally or vertical video. Now this is good for if you're shooting yourself, doing artwork or something that you're working with your hands. Here you go. That's that. You could do it on top and then just hold it. Do the same thing for the center. Put the phone through first and then work with the mount to push it through. Again, just push it through all the way in. And make sure you adjust it before. If you have to adjust it while it's mounted, make sure you put pressure here towards the base so it could be have a firmer base, and then you could do a minor adjustment. Just put your thumb at the base, near the base, and then you could adjust it that way. That way you don't have to be pulling the whole thing, and it might crack there because it's plastic. Again, warning. And depending how wide your phone is, there I go again. Hi, Mom. Then, the light might deflect off the phone on the backside, but it should be okay. Let's just turn it on. Let's see. Yeah, it should be fine. Depends on you position it, the way you have your angle, then it should hit right just over your phone. So I think it's good. And in that position also, you have to adjust it, and then of course adjust your angles with the ball screw on this side, and just offset it. If you need to adjust it, just bring it up again and down, and then just make sure it's not reflecting off the back of the phone too much or blocking the light. That way your shots have the best light possible. That is the phone mount. All right, got your phone mount. Another cool gadget it has the tripod. Again, basic plastic, basic screw screwed on here, twist it around, done. That's it. Now, the thing about this is the fact that it has to open all the way in order to work the way it is intended to. So, if I take a flat base, if this is my table, it has to sit flat on the table like that, spread eagle. I would say from the base to the table or your flat surface will be about 6 to 8 inches. Another cool thing, it has rubber feet right here, so that way it won't scratch your table up. If you're doing your selfie thing and you're doing the whole one-handed camera with the tripod mount, it could get kind of heavy, so you can hold it up in front of you like that with the tripod. Hold it up in front of you and say, hey, look at it, I'm shooting a video live. I want to get a real close-up shot with good lighting. There you go. You hold it up like this, and then you could do whatever you do with your makeup, or do a visual effect, or whatever. But that's the tripod. What else is in store? Well, we got your monitor mount, or table clamp. Now, here's the trick about this. Alright, the same thing, just the regular screw it to the base. Roll it. Let's see, you adjust it here. You got your angles, flat angles, 180 or 90 or 15, like I said before. Tighten it down. And this base has a ball screw. So the ball screw gives you even more range of motion. Flip it around, lay it flat, or set your other angle. So you got two angles to play with, the one at the base here and then the clamp base here. So that's pretty cool to give you more expression on your video lighting. With the monitor mount or the table mount. So this curvy part right here, let me get this cable off the way. This curvy part, this goes towards the front of your monitor, right? Or your tabletop. And then the back goes towards the back side of your monitor, right? So this is the back of my hand, simulating the back of my monitor. It has a screw right here with a rubber foot on it. So then you just tighten it down, just clamping it down to my hand, simulating the back of the monitor and the front of the monitor right here. So there you go. If you're going to clamp it on your monitor, don't over clamp it, just hand tighten it just enough for it to stay in place during the time you are recording or are live streaming. So yeah, you can clamp it on your desk and hold it up if you don't want to use the tripod. As far as lighting, it has 3 modes. It has white, and warm yellow. Might not notice much, but I will turn off my lights. So now that my lights are off, we're testing out the colors of the light. We have 3 colors. White, okay? Warm white. If you look at my face, you could probably notice the difference. And warm yellow. So now my face is a little bit more yellow. You can't tell too much with the light itself through the video, but if you look at my face, you will notice the different colors. Warm yellow, white, warm white. All right, now let's check out the 10 levels. 10 levels? Yes, you heard right. 10 levels of brightness. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the warm white test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, this is warm yellow 0. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. 10 levels of brightness. How you like that? It's pretty cool, right? It's not bad. Not a bad deal either. You should go check it out. Link in the description below. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Well, the ring light is not free. The like and subscribe is free. If you didn't like it, then hit the thumbs down. Leave your comments down in the section below. And make sure you check out my other videos. Peace.